Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Magic Jinn by Hasbro Gaming. This is a single player game for ages 6 and up. It was originally released in 2013 and I got this at Walmart in the clearance aisle. It was $4. I've seen it around town for quite some time at different stores, Dollar General, Bargain Hunt, and it's always on clearance. So apparently it didn't ever take off. It just didn't. For whatever reason, it just failed. I'll show you the box that it came in. So let me move this aside and pick this up. And this is the box that it came in. And here on the side, it tells you a little bit about it. It says, "Talk to me and I'll try to read your mind. How to speak to Magic Jinn. Yes, no, I don't know. It depends, okay. Say it again, go back." So basically, what it does is you think of an animal and it tries to guess what that animal is, and it does that through the process of elimination. It asks you questions, and sometimes it gets the right answer. A lot of the times though it doesn't. So what I'm going to do now is show you a demonstration of how it works. You just press the nose.
Hey there! Want to play? Great! I love guessing games, especially when I'm sure to win. Think of an animal. Say, okay, when you're ready.
Okay.
Great! I'm going to ask you a question. Answer yes, no, or I don't know. You can also say, it depends. Can this animal jump?
Yes.
Aha! I see. Is this animal larger than a microwave?
It depends.
Okay. Can it bark?
Yes.
Is it friendly?
Yes.
That's what I thought. Is this animal very small?
It depends.
All right. Does this animal live on the farm?
It depends.
Okay. Does this animal's name begin with the letter D for doll?
Yes.
All right. I know. Don't tell me. If my magic powers aren't mistaken, you were thinking of a dog. Is it exactly the animal you were thinking of?
Yes.
Wow! I'm really good. One more round.
No.
So, see you later.
So that's basically how it works. That was a pretty easy animal to think of and for it to figure out. I've thought of animals like the sloth, and it never got it right. It never guessed it right. So I mean, it's accurate, probably less than 50% of the time. And I mean, it's an okay game. I mean, you play it for a while, and you know it's pretty one note. So after I'd say a half hour, it's pretty much, you're pretty much done with it. And so, I mean, on a rainy day, I think it would be a good option, but you know, otherwise, it's just something that is going to be played with a couple times and then it's going to sit on the shelf and collect dust. But for $4, I mean, it was okay. It's okay, but it's nothing great. So that completes my review. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.